Bitcoin, a trillion-pound global asset used by millions of people across the planet. But the identity of its creator is a complete mystery. They used a name, Satoshi Nakamoto, a name that appeared online in 2008 like a ghost in the machine and then vanished just as quietly. The person or people behind it remains a shadow. All we have are fragments of a mind, pieced together from old forum posts, early emails, and the original code itself. These fragments paint a picture of someone with an incredibly rare combination of skills. Satoshi wasn't just a coder. They were a master of cryptography, economics, computer science, and game theory, all at once. The first concrete sign appeared on Halloween, 2008. The Bitcoin Whitepaper was published, outlining a revolutionary peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Then, on January 3, 2009, Satoshi mined the very first block of Bitcoin, the Genesis block, and etched into its code was a hidden message, a clue to Bitcoin's very purpose. A newspaper headline from that day. The Times, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. A clear jab at the traditional financial system. For the next 2 years, Satoshi collaborated online with a small group of early developers, carefully nurturing the network. But then, in 2011, they sent a final cryptic email, saying they had moved on to other things. And just like that, they were gone. Why disappear at the height of your creation? The answer seems to be intentional, a deliberate act of design. To keep Bitcoin truly decentralized, it couldn't have a king, a founder, or a leader. Satoshi mined around 1 million Bitcoin in the early days, a fortune worth tens of billions of dollars today. Yet, not a single one has ever been spent. It's a silent, untouched hoard. So, who was it? Was it early developer Hal Finney, digital currency pioneer Nick Szabo, a lone genius, or an entire collective? Dozens of theories exist, but none have ever been proven. In the end, perhaps the answer doesn't matter. Bitcoin has no leader, and that is its greatest strength. Satoshi built a new kind of money, gave it to the world, and then stepped away forever so that the world could truly own it.